Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Leos, we are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And I'll be picking one card for your moon energies, Leos. This will be the card. And for your love guidance, this will be the card. So, if you like this reading and if it resonates, Leos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Four of Swords in reverse, Queen of Cups and Four of Cups. So maybe in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or personal life, you may have a certain situation, guys. You are someone really talented, someone really caring and loving, responsible person. So whatever you take up, maybe those responsibilities, you stand by those decisions, you try to do your best, try to handle your circumstances in the right way. And maybe today, for some reason, you feel some kind of fear or anxiety over something, and maybe you want to do things in the right way, and your circumstances, it may be your expectation or imagination, or maybe you may see certain things going in an unexpected way and you want to be really careful. So today you are taking a lot of precautions, maybe trying to handle your situation with that right mindset, trying to do things in a better way, right way, Leos. So in this relationship, maybe you are thinking too much. You have a lot of things on your mind, maybe whatever you faced in your life. You have a lot of situation, or you have faced a lot of trials in your life, and today what you see yourself in this relationship with this person, so you expect some negative things, or you are expecting some negative things in the future in this connection. So you are worried, or you are trying to be really careful with your words and your actions, and you are thinking and rethinking again and again of something from your past. Maybe, guys, that may be the reason you are not aware of the things coming to you right now. So there are good opportunities coming in this relationship. Maybe this person is thinking of marriage or commitment, but in your heart of hearts you are having some fear about this person, whether they will leave you for another person. So some kind of you feel really negative about this love, and you are wishing that things went in a positive way, but in truth you do not see things clearly because you are lost in your own thoughts, and you have a lot you have seen in your past. That may be the reason for the way things are going today in your relationship, guys. So for your relationship, we picked one card, guys, and it is Five of Swords in reverse. So maybe there may be some circumstance, maybe this person is coming to tell you something, and before they even speak, you may jump to some kind of conclusion because you have you are expecting something bad because of your past. Maybe the people you love, they have a abandoned you. So it would have been your childhood energy, guys. Maybe your parents or siblings, someone really close to you, they just left you, and that break in that relationship, that strong bond you have, is the reason that you are unable to relate or trust anyone today in your life, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, Leos. So we have Nine of Wands in reverse. So in your work situation, maybe you are trying really hard, trying to do things in the right way, but you may see a lot of obstacles, troubles. Things may not go as expected for you guys in your work situation. So some work delays, or there may be people competing with you guys. A lot of competition may be there, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your moon energies, guys, Leos. So we have full moon in Scorpio, time to release negativity. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are worried about something, guys, and it is totally pointless. That is what we were speaking about, guys. Maybe you're based on your past experience, you are jumping to some kind of conclusion. You must not do that. Maybe if someone was unkind to you in your past, you should forgive them, release them today, guys. So this may be an emotionally intense time for you, and you may feel a lot of things today, lot of emotions today. But instead of living in fear, it's in your own hands to start living joyfully, guys. So that is the energy here. So maybe you may have some doubts, some kind of suspicions about your relationship, what this person will decide or what they will do, whether they will be there with you or not. Or maybe for some of you, you may hold some grudges against someone. But having regrets and grudges is just going to make you more and more toxic. So you need to give all that up. You want something positive, something you desired to come in your life today, guys, Leos. So for your love guidance, Leos, we picked one card. So let's see what it is. It says creativity. So you are someone, a very creative person, Leos, but all your past and the negative things that you have in your heart is what is holding you back today. So thoughts are creation, Leo. So when we have positive intentions, positive thoughts, that is what is going to manifest in our life. So that is the reason we must all have high-minded thoughts. So judgment of yourself or judgment of some other person is simply going to lower our vibration of love we have in our heart of hearts. So that is going to affect the way we are creative. So when we have lofty thoughts, good thoughts, happy thoughts, it is going to inspire us, and we will be able to attune our heart to that loving energy of the universe, and we will be more receptive to inspired ideas that are there all around us, that universe is giving us, guys, each and every moment. So we must keep our heart and soul attuned to that. The way to do that is keep our thoughts pure and keep our thoughts high, good thoughts, happy thoughts. That is what we are seeing here, guys. An apt card for y'all, guys. Love guidance for your Leos. Thank you for watching, Leos. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leo.